Hey guys, I got a 2006 Ford Ranger Sport here. I'm just going to go over the armrest modifications I've done to it. I actually came up and I modeled and I produced this little armrest support that just bolts into place for those that have the Explorer type center console, not the 60-40 split bench seat. So they put this center console in Rangers, I think from 2001 to 2011, and some edges and some sports. It's not in everything, it's just the ones with the dual bucket seat center console. And as a lot of you know, it cantilevers out here and there's nothing to support it here. So what my part does is it just has four screw holes that are actually in this from the factory. So you just take these 4 screw holes out here, or screws out, put that on and bolt it into place. And this also has a little foam backing piece on it so that when it's sitting on there, it's not squeaking around. Something else I did, as you can see when I had that up there, is mine was broke when I bought it and this thing was just sitting in the back seat. They do sell this steel backing plate for it, and that's a good upgrade, but it still cantilevers over and it's putting a lot of pressure on this plastic here, which it could eventually crumble and break. So it's good to have this front support on. And then I also, when I had it off, my brother actually has an older Edge. He has an 03, and his had the same problem. Is once it's supported nice, well then the inside of this is plastic behind the foam and it breaks away and it caves in. So what I did, and if you take all those screws apart, you can get the measurement for this. I use 7/16 OSB, and this is slid in and it's actually held in the plastic. It fits in there perfect. There's just one layer here and there's actually a layer above it that's a little bit smaller piece, and it ends up supporting this foam nice and solid. So this won't fall out. I mean, you could probably paint it black if you didn't want to see it, but I figured there's no one ever in the back seat. I wasn't that worried about it. So that makes that all nice and rigid. And the next thing I noticed was how much this was squeaking. So what I did is, you can't really see it here, you can kind of barely see it. It's some black Gorilla tape, duct tape, and I put it in some spots and it keeps the center console from squeaking when I'm going down the road. So that's my center console upgrade. I sell these for 30 ships anywhere in the US. Just email me, I'll send you my PayPal address and if you want one. Thanks, bye.